Hello party people. Let's review this little chair covers of mine. Found them on Amazon. The company is, well, the seller was QYZDLM. I don't know what that spells, or if it's an acronym, I'm not sure. I chose like a blue kind of like Tron one or something, like with the blue, I don't know what it, like blue lanes or something, or lines. I'm not really sure. I will say that I'm a little disappointed. The cushion, the seat part, the bottom seat part, that the cover didn't cover quite all. Unless I'm doing it wrong, which I don't think I am, but let's say I am. Is it the expensive one that was cat proof? No, I don't own a cat, so I don't even worry about that. The top was, it fits the top nicely, considering that in a gaming chair, the back and the headrest, if you have one, or head pillow in this case, it doesn't match. But this is a cheaper alternative to until the next chair I buy, whatever that might be. Honestly, I'm hoping for a Secret Lab, but I'm not sure I'm willing to pay that much money for a chair, especially when everyone agrees that office chairs are much better and cheaper. Without further ado, guys, this is, read the Amazon description here. Gaming chair covers, slip covers, 3D printing, stretchable, elastic computer, reclining gaming chair seat cover with armrest cover. So the armrest covers, I forgot to mention, mine are made of plastic. There's no cushion or material on them that is causing them to dry up, and fall off, crack off. It was $20, and I mean, it came in like 2 days or something, and it came in a little tiny package. Without further ado, I don't know, guys. It didn't come with instructions, but I'll mess around with it. Yeah, so it's a cover. 10 being the best. I don't know. This is 7.5 tops. $20. I mean, you can't argue with that. $20, like a brand new gaming chair. All right, thanks for watching, and watching this review, guys. Take care of yourselves and each other.